All right, morning two. A couple of us got up early to go to Arches at sunrise, which certainly lived up to its name. This place is spectacular. Unbelievable. We're on our way to arguably some places as impressive as this, and not more, as Monument Valley. So we're gonna roll down to Monument Valley today and then cut back up through the middle of nowhere, Utah. Maybe on a dirt road, don't tell everybody else. So it's gonna be a good day, and we're off to an amazing start. Well, this ride was certainly worth the early wake-up call this morning and pissing off everybody at the campground. Whoops! But this is totally worth it. Arches is spectacular. And we didn't get to see it at the end of the day yesterday because the park was closed down for a car accident, but this actually works out better. Just being here with the morning light, sun coming up, this is so awesome. Now on to Monument Valley after we wake up the other two clowns. Probably film this so when Kyle tips his bike over, it's on camera.
Don't blame it on the beaties.
Yeah, I got diabetes, guys. It's not my fault. Alright, quick gas stop here and then heading south towards Monument Valley. Yeah, like some good acceleration to get the blood pumping in the morning. my second time to Monument Valley, and this place is just stunning. There are no words for how amazing this place is, and I dearly hope this is not my last time here. This is the famous Forrest Gump Road, and then we're going to ride around to the overlook to see the Three Mittens. But this place, you gotta be, we can't unfortunately this time, but you gotta be here during a sunset or sunrise if you come this way. It is unbelievable. Well, we're here in Monument Valley. Unfortunately, the overlook for the Mittens is closed, which is too bad. So we're just hanging out, getting a little bit of shade, waiting for lunch, and then we're gonna head back northwest towards Hanksville. Maybe a little bit of dirt, but don't tell anybody. But Monument Valley is absolutely amazing. The sign at the bottom only said 3 miles of dirt, but this is pretty rough dirt, and it kind of transitions, at least in the corners. There's a little bit of pavement, but it's a pretty steep climb, but the view is amazing. I don't remember what this little pass is called, but off to the right is called the Valley of the Gods, and it's spectacular. I think maybe we'll try and pull over closer to the top and take a look, but it's a good thing this is only 3 miles, because this is not the greatest surface. But hey, you know what? We'll just do a little Harley adventure bagger touring here. So try and okay. Watch out. This is the only way to get north to where we're going, though, so we kind of didn't have an option. But I also would have hated to miss this view, because it's just amazing. Alright, well, maybe I think up here we can pull over before the other guys yell at me.
was just the uneven part.
Hey, this is like 10 times better than going to the cabin last year.
That was so slippery.
In the mud.
What's that?
This thing is fucking.
So far, Frye Canyon has been spectacular. This is like something out of a Western. This is unbelievable. I keep using the word unbelievable, I think, but just when we think it couldn't get any more amazing, we come across a new road that's just spectacular. So this is going to take us up to Hanksville eventually. We're going to cross back across the Colorado. So that was the height bridge that we just crossed over, which goes over the Colorado River, which we've been following kind of on and off on this trip as we go. We're getting to near the end of Frye Canyon, and this thing has lived up to the height that we've heard before the ride. This place is unbelievable. We're going to pull off up ahead here. There should be an overlook. We'll get some view of the entire valley.
Well, this is fucking amazing.
Yeah, holy crap. Hey.
This is incredible.
I don't know. Maybe.
How else does it feel like? Colorado River was just a rager like 1,000 years ago.
Just raging.
Just raging. Just crushing through here.
It just keeps going. Probably said it 100 times already, but this ride is unbelievable. This road is insane. I can't believe that we found this road. It's unreal. So amazing.